guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog, and for today's recipe it is beef sausage pizza. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! For the dry ingredients, this is 3 cups of enriched flour with 2 teaspoons of instant yeast, 2 teaspoons of salt, half teaspoon of sugar, quarter teaspoon of oregano, and quarter teaspoon of salt. We're just gonna mix it. You can mix with your hand, spatula, spoon, or whatever you have that you want to use to mix. Now we're gonna add cold water, an egg, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. For the cold water, this is just tap water. Add in 3/4 cup at a time. So start with 3/4 cup first until you can produce a nice dough. Now we're gonna roll it flat and place it on our baking pan. It can be the round pan or the rectangular pan, is up to you. If you don't have rolling pin, it's fine. You can just pull and stretch the dough. It is nice and pliable. So the water was about 1/4 cup to 1.5 cup, but you use 3/4 cup for first measurement. So it's not gonna be too dry, it's gonna be too wet. It's not gonna be too dry nor too wet. Now poke all over. With a fork for steam to come out. Now we're gonna spread our tomato paste. So just spread the tomato paste, about 3 to 4 tablespoons, covering the whole crust. Sprinkle some with oregano or Italian seasoning if you have. Now we're gonna top with our beef, or you can top it with whatever you like. So this is beef sausage, especially for pizza topping. Now we're gonna bake at preheated 350 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take out the pan and lay some cheese. Obviously, you can add pineapple or whatever you like and grated cheese, which I don't have. So I'm just using some cheese slices. And we're gonna return it to the oven and we're gonna bake it for another 20 to 25 minutes.